अब हम लोग देखते हैं दिल्ली सुल्तान, आर्ट एंड आर्किटेक्चर। दिल्ली सुल्तान 1206 to 1526 saw emergence of distinct Indo-Islamic architecture style blending Persian, Turkish, Indian elements. The five dynasties Sultan कौन? Mamluk, Khilji, Tughlaq, Sayyid, and Lodi contributed significantly to improve development of architecture in इंडिया। ठीक, अर्ली सुल्तान पीरियड, स्लेव डायनेस्टी 1206 से लेकर 1290। तो अर्ली पीरियड में तो सबसे पहले कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक इनिशिएटेड कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ कुतुब मीनार इन दिल्ली, लेटर completed by Iltutmish. It is the tallest brick minaret in the world. ये सबसे बड़ी, सबसे ऊंची इनार है जो ईंटों से बनी है। बिल्ट 2.5 दिन का छोपड़ा, अजमेर राजस्थान, ओरिजिनली संस्कृत कॉलेज, लेटर कन्वर्टेड इनटू ए मॉस्क्यू, established the Quwwatul Islam Mosque near Qutub Minar, the first mosque in India constructed using materials from 27 demolished Hindu and Jain temples. Iltutmish completed Qutub Minar by 1246 by adding 3 more stories to the base built by Aibak. Built the Sultan Garhi tomb 1231 for his eldest son Nasiruddin Mahmud, India's first monumental Islamic tomb. कौन सा? सुल्तान गढ़ी टॉम्ब। ठीक है, फिर आता है खिलजी डायनेस्टी। अलाउद्दीन खिलजी बिल्ड अलाई दरवाजा 1311 नियर कुतुब मीनार फॉर द फर्स्ट ट्रू इस्लामिक आर्क एंड डोम structure in India made of red sandstone and white marble with intricate inlay work. Expanded Qutub Minar and started reconstructing Alai Minar, an ambitious project to make it twice the height of Qutub Minar, but it remained incomplete. Expanded Qutub Minar. Alauddin Khilji ne started constructing Alai Minar, an ambitious project to make it twice the height of Qutub Minar, but it remained incomplete. Built Hajar Situn and Hauj Alai, now Hauj Khas, as a water reservoir. Alauddin Khilji Ukha Mosque, Bayana, Rajasthan, was built by his general Malik Kafur during Sultan Mubarak Shahin. ठीक है, अलाई दरवाज़ा कुतुब मीनार का मतलब ऊपर वाला, फिर अलाई मीनार बनवाने की कोशिश की, हजार सितून हौजे अलाई भी बनवाया, ऊखा मास्क भी बनवाया। अच्छा, ये मलिक कफूर ने बनवाया था। गियासुद्दीन तुगलक फाउंडेड तुगलकाबाद, ए फोर्टिफाइड सिटी इन दिल्ली एज हिज न्यू कैपिटल। गियासुद्दीन तुगलक ने तुगलकाबाद बनवाया, ए फोर्टिफाइड सिटी इन दिल्ली एज हिज न्यू कैपिटल। बिल्ड तुगलकाबाद फोर्ट characterized by sloping walls and military style architecture. His tomb is in Tughlaqabad, built in Indo-Islamic style with sloping walls. Muhammad bin Tughlaq shifted the capital from Delhi to Daulatabad, Maharashtra in 1327. Shifted the capital from Delhi, Muhammad bin Tughlaq ने दौलताबाद महाराष्ट्र in 1327, leading to architectural expansion to Deccan. Built the Bijapur fort, strengthened Adilabad fort, and constructed Jahanpanah, a fortified enclosure in Delhi, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. फिरोज शाह कोटला बनवाया इन्होंने, इंक्लूडिंग जामी मस्जिद, बाओली, अशोकन पिलर ट्रांसपोर्टेड फ्रॉम तोपरा हरियाणा टू दिल्ली, रीइनोवेटेड हौज खास, an important water reservoir built by Alauddin Khilji, established Firozabad, another fortified city. फिरोजाबाद, तुगलकाबाद। ठीक है, सैयद डायनेस्टी एंड लोधी डायनेस्टी देखा जाए, सैयद 1414 to 1451 एंड लोधी 1451 to 1526। Sayyid dynasty mainly focused on tomb construction, including tombs of Mubarak Shah and Muhammad Shah in Delhi, featuring octagonal domes. मतलब 8 वो होते थे इनमें, tomb of Mubarak Shah and Muhammad Shah in Delhi. Lodi dynasty introduced a double dome and garden tomb concept, later influencing Mughal architecture. Built Sikandar Lodi's tomb, which inspired Humayun's tomb, the precursor to the Taj Mahal. Moth Ki Masjid, built during Sikandar Lodi's reign, is a fine example of Lodi era architecture. Ibrahim Lodi built several mosques and tombs, including his own in Panipat, where he died he died in the first battle of Panipat, 1526. कीर्ति स्तंभ रीजनल डेवलप, कीर्ति स्तंभ विक्ट्री टावर चित्तौड़गढ़ 1440, built by Rana Kumbha of Mewar to commemorate his victory over मालवन सुल्तान महमूद खिलजी पे जब उन्होंने जीत दर्ज की थी, तब उसके बाद इन्होंने वो किया था. डिजाइंड अंडर जायता विथ अत्री एंड महेश एज. अब ये कीर्ति स्तंभ डिजाइंड अंडर जायता with Atri and Mahesh as Panegyrist and court poets. Panegyrist court poets. Key feature of Delhi Sultan architecture: material used red sandstone, grey quartzite, and white marble. Arches and domes, true arcs, visors. Replaced corbelled arches of Indian styles. Minarets, tall and tapering minarets with balconies seen in Qutub Minar. Decoration, geometric patterns, floral design, and calligraphy. No human or animal depiction. No human. Material use red sandstone, grey quartzite, and white marble. Arches and domes, true arches, visors. Replaced corbelled arches of Indian styles. Minarets, tall and tapering minarets with balconies seen in Qutub Minar. Decoration, geometric patterns, floral designs, and calligraphy. No human or animal depictions. Take tombs, shift from simple graves to monumental tombs with Indo-Islamic influences. Tombs shift from simple graves to monumental tombs. अच्छा, मतलब फिर मोनुमेंटल टॉप्स बनने लगे विथ इंडो इस्लामिक इन्फ्लुएंसेस. फोर्टिफिकेशन कैसे? थिक स्लोपिंग वॉल्स, सर्कुलर बेसन्स, जैसे तुगलकाबाद बनाया, फिरोज शाह कोटला बनाया. वाटर मैनेजमेंट, हौज खास, बाउलिस, स्टेप वॉल्स फॉर रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग. ठीक है. Significance of Delhi Sultan: laid foundation of Mughal architecture, influencing structure like Humayun Tomb and Taj Mahal. Introduced Persian and Central Asian elements in Indian architecture. Pioneered the use of calligraphy, jali, perforated screens, and decorative motifs. Improved urban planning through the establishment of planned cities जैसे तुगलकाबाद, जहांपना. ठीक है. और देखते हैं यूज़ ऑफ पेपर इन इंडिया 12th सेंचुरी सी में. ठीक. पेपर वॉज फर्स्ट डिस्कवर्ड इन चाइना ड्यूरिंग हंस डायनेस्टी 105 सी. यूज़ ऑफ पेपर इन 12th सेंचुरी बाय काई लोन. The knowledge of paper making spread to the Islamic world through the Battle of Talas. Knowledge of paper making spread to the Islamic world through Battle of Talas 751 CE, when Chinese prisoners revealed the technique to the Abbasids. Paper reached to India by 12th century CE primarily through trade and cultural exchange with Islamic world. The oldest known paper evidence in India is from Asutosh Museum, Kolkata, which preserves a manuscript written on paper dating back to 105 CE called Pancharaksha. The 13th century CE. By this time, paper usage has already started in India, mainly for official and literary purposes. 14th and 15th century C paper was already widespread. Firoz Shah Tughlaq 1351 to 1388 established paper mills in Delhi, increasing its availability for administrative use. ठीक. Babur 1526 to 1530 in his memoir Baburnama mentioned the extensive use of paper in India. Mughal 16th to 18th century used his high quality handmade paper known as Wasli paper for art and calligraphy. Mughals. Which Sultan built Alai Darwaja? Alauddin Khilji. Alai Darwaja 1311 C was built by Alauddin Khilji near Qutub Minar as part of his expansion of the Quwwatul Islam Mosque. It is an important Indo-Islamic architectural structure with true arches and domes constructed using red sandstones and white marble inlays. Her Su-arc style was introduced in India for the first time in Alai Darwaja. Her Su-arc. Turkish artisans play a key role in its construction. Iltutmish 1211 to 1236 built Sultangarhi tomb, Jama Masjid and Hauj Shamsi but did not build Alai Darwaja. Balban introduced true arc construction in India but did not construct Alai Darwaja. Firoz Tughlaq built Firoz Shah Kotla, Jami Masjid and step walls but was not connected with Alai Darwaja. First horse arc in India was introduced in which monument? Alai Darwaja. First true horseshoe arc in India was introduced in Alai Darwaja 1311 CE, built by Alauddin Khilji. Unlike the corbelled arches used in Indian temple architecture, the true Islamic arc distributes weight evenly. The horseshoe arc became a defining feature of Indo-Islamic architecture. Tomb of Iltutmish has corbelled arches instead of true Islamic arches. Tomb of Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq featured sloping walls and minimal ornamentation but not the horseshoe arc. Quwwatul Islam Museum used temple pillars with Islamic modification but did not introduce the horse arc. Who among the following did not contribute the construction of Qutub Minar? देखिए ये अलाउद्दीन खिलजी. देखिए कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक ने बनवाना शुरू किया, इल्तुतमिश ने इसको कंप्लीट किया, फिरोज शाह तुगलक ने चौथी मंजिल बनवाई. कुतुब मीनार construction started by Qutbuddin Aibak 1199 CE, but he could only complete its basement. Iltutmish completed 3 additional stories. Firoz Shah Tughlaq rebuilt the 4th story and added 5th story after damage from an earthquake. Alauddin Khilji did not contribute to Qutub Minar. Instead, he started construction of Alai Minar, which remained incomplete. Who built the 5th story of Qutub Minar? तो फिरोज शाह तुगलक ने बनवाया था. कुतुब मीनार फर्स्ट फ्लोर कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक, सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ इल्तुतमिश, फिफ्थ फिरोज शाह तुगलक आफ्टर एन अर्थक्वेक डैमेज द स्ट्रक्चर. ठीक. Consider the following statement. Qutub Minar, built in 13th century, is a 238 feet high tapering tower divided into 5 stories. ये 238 फीट नहीं है, उससे कम है, 73 है शायद. चाँद मीनार, built in 15th century, is 220 feet high tapering tower divided into 4 stories. देखिए हाँ, कुतुब मीनार अच्छा ये पूरा 13th सेंचुरी में ही नहीं बना था, 12th और 13th मतलब 11th और 12th और 13th दोनों मिला के बना था. देखिए कुतुब मीनार इज 72.5 meters, 238 feet high, but was built in stages between 1199 and 368 CE, not entirely in 13th century. Chand Minar, Daulatabad, Maharashtra, was built in 1445 CE by Alauddin Bahmani and stands 30 meter, 98 meter high, not 210 feet. ठीक. तो दिल्ली सुल्तान आर्किटेक्चर laid the foundation of Mughal architecture. Paper use revolutionized administration, literature, and trade. Arc and domes were key innovation of Indo-Islamic architecture. Tughlaq rule saw urban planning development like Tughlaqabad Fort. India's first tomb constructed in Indo-Islamic style was Balban's tomb. India's first tomb constructed in the Indo-Islamic style was Balban's tomb. Balban's tomb, the tomb of Ghiyasuddin Balban, is located in Mehrauli, Delhi, built in 1287 AD. Tomb of Ghiyasuddin Balban, located in Mehrauli, Delhi, built in 1287 AD. It is historically significant as it was first Indo-Islamic tomb in India, marking the transition from simple graves to monumental tomb स्ट्रक्चर्स। ठीक, आगे देखते हैं हम लोग। इट इंट्रोड्यूस्ड ट्रू आर्चेस रिप्लेसिंग ट्रेडिशनल कॉर्बेल्ड आर्चेस। हुमायूं टॉम्ब्स बिल्ड मच लेटर ड्यूरिंग मुगल पीरियड बाय हाजी बेगम, हुमायूं वाइफ, influenced by Persian architecture. Aibak tomb Qutbuddin Aibak was buried in Lahore, and his tomb is not Indo-Islamic in architectural style. Alauddin's tomb, 1316 AD, built near Alai Darwaza. It is followed Indo-Islamic element, was not what the first. Balban's rule, 1266 to 1287, is noted for introducing Persian custom and architectural techniques into India. His tomb was precursor to Mughal tombs, which evolved into Mughal garden tombs. The first true arc of Sultan Memorial could be seen in Tomb of Balban. The true arc were first introduced in India in Balban tombs, 1287 AD, Mehrauli, Delhi. Prior to this, Indian architecture used corbelled arches, where stones were stacked gradually inward. This tomb marked the transition of proper Islamic architecture with the keystone arc principle. Iltutmish tomb used corbelled arches. Alai Darwaza had refined horseshoe arches, but was not the first. Quwwatul Islam Mosque, one of the first mosques in India, but used Hindu temple pillars and lacked true arches. The development of true arches and domes was key to Indo-Islamic architecture, influencing later Mughal structure like Taj Mahal. Arrange the chronological order. तो देखिए, अगर हम लोग देखा जाए तो कुतुब मीनार सबसे पहले बना, फिर बना तुगलकाबाद फोर्ट। कुतुब मीनार किसने बनवाया? कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक ने। स्लेव डायनेस्टी, फिर मतलब तुगलक, ठीक, सबसे मतलब फिर लोधी, फिर फतेहपुर सीकरी मुग़लों ने बनवाया। ठीक, तो ऐसे ही पता चल जाता है। कुतुब मीनार कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक completed by Iltutmish 1199 to 368. Firoz Shah Tughlaq added the fifth story. Tughlaqabad Fort, Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, 1321, fortified city, but was abandoned due to water scarcity and cursed by Sufi sant Nizamuddin Auliya. Lodi Garden, built by Lodi dynasty, containing tombs of Sikandar Lodi and Muhammad Shah. Fatehpur Sikri, built by Akbar, was as his capital but abandoned due to water shortages. Contains Buland Darwaja, Panch Mahal, and Jodha Bai Palace. Fatehpur Sikri. सुल्तानगढ़ी 1231 में इल्तुतमिश पर फर्स्ट इस्लामिक टॉम्ब इन इंडिया। कौन? सुल्तानगढ़ी इल्तुतमिश ने बनवाया था। रेड पैलेस बलबन। जमात खाना मस्जिद खिज्र खान। जमात खाना मस्जिद किसने बनवाया? खिज्र खान ने। और 2.5 दिन का झोपड़ा कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक। खिज्र खान ने जमात खाना मस्जिद खिज्र खान ढाई दिन का झोपड़ा कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक। जमात खान मस्जिद इज लोकेटेड इन द हजरत निजामुद्दीन दरगाह कॉम्प्लेक्स built by Khizr Khan, son of Alauddin Khilji. खिज्र खान। हाँ, लाल महल किसने बनवाया? बलबन। दिल्ली में प्राइवेट रॉयल पैलेस। हिंडोला महल गियासुद्दीन खिलजी, नॉट होसंग शाह। लोकेटेड इन मांडू, बिल्ट एज एन ऑडियंस हॉल। हिंडोला महल गियासुद्दीन खिलजी। जहाज महल गियासुद्दीन खिलजी, situated in Mandu, built by royal women, built for royal women. जहाज महल। लाल दरवाजा मॉस्क्यू बीबी राजे, गुजरात, built by Queen बीबी राजे। लाल दरवाजा मॉस्क्यू बीबी राजे। होसंग शाह 1206 to 1406 to 1435 built Hosang Shah tomb, India's first marble tomb in Mandu, Gujarat. Hosang Shah Jahaj Mahal Ship Palace looks like a floating structure due to surrounding water bodies. जहाज महल। और ये होसंग शाह, ठीक है। फर्स्ट इंडो इस्लामिक टॉम बलबंस टॉम 1287 AD दिल्ली। फर्स्ट ट्रू आर्क इन इंडिया बलबंस टॉम मेहरौली दिल्ली। पहले कुतुब मीनार बना, फिर तुगलकाबाद फोर्ट, फिर लोधी गार्डन, फिर फतेहपुर सीकरी। कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक 2.5 दिन का झोपड़ा। कुवतुल इस्लाम मॉस्क्यू इल्तुतमिश सुल्तानगढ़ी, कंप्लीशन ऑफ कुतुब मीनार। अलाउद्दीन खिलजी अराई दरवाज़ा। जमात खाना मस्जिद खिजर खान ने बनवाया। बलबन रेड पैलेस, बलबन टॉम्ब, अकबर फतेहपुर सीकरी। कंपोजर ऑफ कीर्ति स्तंभ प्रशस्ति कौन थे? अत्रि कवि। वो कंपोज कीर्ति स्तंभ प्रशस्ति अत्रि कवि। कीर्ति स्तंभ टावर ऑफ फेम इन चित्तौड़गढ़ राजस्थान was built by Rana Kumbha after his victory over Mahmud Khilji of Malwa. The inscription Prashasti praising his achievements was composed by Atri Kavi. The construction was supervised by Jayata, while Atri and Mahesh were panegyrists. Court poems. Panegyrists. Somdev, a Kashmiri poet famous for writing Katha Saritgar, 11th century CE. Jayata supervised the construction of Kirti Stambh but did not compose Prashasti. Napa, not known historical connection. Kirti Stambh 1440 to 1448 is a 22-meter high tower intricately carved with Jain Tirthankars, indicating Jain influence on राजपूत आर्किटेक्चर। राणा कुंभा ने बनवाया था, ठीक है। कीर्ति स्तंभ ऑफ चित्तौड़ पास कंस्ट्रक्टेड ड्यूरिंग द रूल ऑफ राणा कुंभा। राणा कुंभा रूलर ऑफ मेवाड़ built कीर्ति स्तंभ टू कमेमोरेट हिज विक्ट्री ओवर महमूद खिलजी मालवा सुल्तान इन 1440 AD। मतलब महमूद खिलजी पे जब उन्होंने विजय प्राप्त की थी तब उसको बनवाया था। ही वॉज ए ग्रेट पैटर्न ऑफ आर्ट एंड आर्किटेक्चर, आल्सो क्रेडिटेड विद कंस्ट्रक्टिंग विजय स्तंभ टावर ऑफ विक्ट्री इन 1448 AD आफ्टर डिफीटिंग महमूद खिलजी अगेन इन 1448। फिर जब 1448 में उन्होंने महमूद खिलजी को हराया तो फिर क्या हुआ? फिर उन्होंने विजय टावर ऑफ विक्ट्री मतलब फतेह का वो खड़ा किया। राणा हमीर 1326 to 1364 defeated Muhammad bin Tughlaq and re-established Sisodiya dynasty but did not construct कीर्ति स्तंभ। राणा हमीर। राणा रतन सिंह 1302 to 1303 defended Chittor against Alauddin Khilji. Defended Chittor against Alauddin Khilji. Rana Ratan Singh, known for legend of Rani Padmini, not related to. Rana Sangram Singh, Rana Sanga, 1508 to 1528 AD, fought against Babur in Battle of Khanwa, 1527 AD, but was not related to Kirti Stambh construction. Kirti Stambh is a distinct from Vijay Stambh. Kirti Stambh honors Jain heritage, while Vijay Stambh commemorates राजपूत वैल्यू। मतलब कीर्ति स्तंभ जैन तीर्थंकरों के बारे में बताता है, उनके हेरिटेज के बारे में बताता है, जबकि विजय स्तंभ क्या करता है कि मतलब कॉमरेड्स राजपूत वैल्यू। अब देखते हैं अजमेर में कुवत 2.5 दिन का झोपड़ा है। कुवतुल इस्लाम वॉज बिल्ट इन दिल्ली नॉट अजमेर बाय कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक। It is the first mosque in India built from materials of 27 Hindu and Jain temples. आगे देखते हैं जौनपुर अटाला मस्जिद, built by Firoz Shah Tughlaq, completed by Ibrahim Sarki, an example of Sarki architecture. जौनपुर में जो अटाला मस्जिद है फिरोज शाह तुगलक ने शुरू किया और इब्राहिम सर्की ने उसे कंप्लीट करवाया। मालवा जहाज महल 15th century AD, built by Ghiyasuddin Khilji, a water place that appears to float in Mandu. गुलबर्गा जामा मस्जिद, built by Muhammad Shah I Bahmani, unique for its large dome and absence of minarets. अजमेर फेमस इंडो इस्लामिक स्ट्रक्चर 2.5 दिन का झोपड़ा, built by Aibak in 1199 AD, originally a Sanskrit college. Which of the following structures are associated with dynasty? Lotus bud fringe on architecture, Khalji dynasty, 1299 to 320 AD. Emergence of octagonal tombs, Tughlaq dynasty, 1320 to 1414. First seen in Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq's tomb, 1325 to 1400. गुलबर्गा जामा मस्जिद 1367, a Muslim later influenced Mughal architecture. Sher Shah Suri tomb, Sasaram, 1545. Use of Orego and pillars, Vijayanagar dynasty. सोच रहा हूँ मैं यूज अब बोडेगोई इन पिलर्स विजयनगर डायनेस्टी. Bodigui carved pillars feature were common in Hampi temples, seen in Vittal temples and Hajararama temple. Massive interest gazed with inclined walls, Sarki dynasty. Characteristic of Jaunpur architecture, Atala Masjid and Jama Masjid. Architecture in Jaunpur combined Delhi Sultan and regional style. Tughlaq forts like Tughlaqabad and sloping wall for defense. Vijayanagar temple were known for intricate pillar carvings. Kirti स्तंभ Prashasti, written by Atri Kavi, built by Rana Kumbha, supervised by Chaita. First Indo-Islamic arc, Balban's tomb. ठीक. Quwwatul Islam legend. Delhi tomb architecture, octagonal tomb first seen under Tughlaq's Khalji architecture, lotus bud spring decoration. Alai Darwaza 1311 AD. Tughlaq architecture, inclined walls, military style forts. ठीक, तो ये हम लोग का खत्म होता है. थैंक यू, बाय बाय.